Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the screen on your Surface 1796. First, make sure you have the following tools ready: a heat gun, a plastic opening tool, a Phillips screwdriver, and a suction cup. Additionally, it's good to have some isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Begin by powering off your device completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the screen replacement. Next, use the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the screen. This will soften the adhesive and make it easier to remove the screen. Once the edges are warm, take your suction cup and place it near the corner of the screen. Pull gently to create a gap between the screen and the frame. Insert the plastic opening tool into the gap and slide it along the edges to detach the adhesive. Be careful not to insert it too deep, as you could damage internal components. If you encounter resistance, apply more heat to soften the adhesive further. After successfully separating the screen from the frame, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust using the microfiber cloth. This ensures a clean surface for the new screen. If you find any debris, use isopropyl alcohol to clean it up thoroughly. Next, you will need to disconnect the battery. Locate the battery connector and carefully detach it with your plastic opening tool. This step is essential to prevent any power running through the device during the repair. Now, let's move on to removing the broken screen. You will see several screws holding the screen in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws and keep them in a safe place for reassembly later. Once all screws are removed, you can lift the screen out gently. If it's still attached by adhesive, apply a bit more heat to loosen it up. With the old screen removed, it's time to install the new one. Align it carefully with the frame and press down gently to ensure it adheres properly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the screen in place. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Reconnect the battery carefully, ensuring it's secure. Before sealing everything up, power on your Surface 1796 to check if the new screen works correctly. If everything is in order, power it off again. Finally, take your plastic opening tool and carefully run it along the edges to ensure the screen is sealed properly. If you don't have the tools at hand or prefer professional help, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Once you're satisfied with the installation, power on the device one last time to ensure everything functions correctly. If any issues arise, you can always reach out for a quote before repair. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the screen of your Surface 1796, and we hope you found it helpful. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.